Hey guys, today I want to share an inspiring story about a stepson and his stepmom. One day, the stepson noticed that his stepmom loved to swim, but didn't know how. He decided to help her out and teach her how to swim. At first it was tough for the stepmom, but she kept trying and didn't give up. The stepson was patient and encouraging, and soon enough, the stepmom was swimming like a pro. She was so grateful to her stepson for helping her achieve her dream of swimming. As they spent more time together, the stepson realized that he had developed feelings for his stepmom. He was hesitant to tell her at first, but eventually he mustered up the courage to confess his love. To his surprise, the stepmom felt the same way. They started dating and fell deeply in love. They were happy together and grateful for the unique circumstances that brought them together. This story teaches us that sometimes unexpected things can happen in life, but we should always be open to new opportunities and experiences. We should also never give up on our dreams and always try our best to achieve them. And most importantly, love can come from unexpected places, and we should never be afraid to follow our hearts. Thanks for listening to my story today. Remember to keep striving towards your dreams and never give up hope. See you in my next video.